Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel guys. So in today's video I've got the entirety of the battle pass for you guys, season 1 slash season 14. The entire battle pass has been officially leaked and we have all of the characters and all of the epic skins. Obviously I'm not going to talk about all the weird skins which nobody cares about, no one ever uses them. And the emote has not been shown, so I do not have the emote. So let's talk about the battle pass first. So the gun which is going to be coming in the battle pass is obviously the FR5.56. I had already told this in my previous video. It was already confirmed by the devs that this will be the gun which is coming in the battle pass. So the FR556 is not a burst, to my surprise. It is actually a fully automatic weapon, just like in PUBG. It is a fully automatic weapon. And then next we talk about the FTL power line. So the FTL power line is an amazing reskin of the original FTL. Original FTL is one of my favorite skins ever because it has a really badass look to him, really cool futuristic look, and I really like futuristic skins. So that is top one of my probably most favorite skins ever. So the FTL power line has a really cool green, bluish, futuristic look. A really good reskin to the FTL. I really like the reskin which they've done. And then secondly, we have the Spectre Chrome. This might be my second most favorite skin in the Battle Pass because it has a very cool robotic look, a fully black, stealthy, really cool look to it. So that is the Spectre Chrome. I think it is one of the best Battle Pass skins I've ever seen. And then we also have the Prophet. Guys, this might probably be my least favorite, or obviously not my least favorite, because this guy, he doesn't look too appealing to me. He looks kind of ugly and weird, so I really don't like his skin that much. It has a cool color. I like the color combination. This battle pass is really cool color combination because it's a futuristic style battle pass, so the colors, they have done it really well this time. And then the last skin which we have is David Mason Enforcer. This will probably be the tier 50 skin with the epic of the FR556. We also do have the epic 556, uh, the weapon. We actually have the epic shown for it, so I'll put the epic right now on the screen. So you all can see the epic is pretty good. It looks like the Type 25. I forgot the name of the epic, but it looks like one of the Type 25 rares which we had got actually for one of the previous seasons. I think it was season 2 or 3. Okay, so next now we're going to talk about the epic gun skin. So now we had all three of these put in one screen. So it is the HBR capacitor, it is the locust carbon cut, and the HG40 skin. I really don't know what the HG40 skin is, but yeah, it is the HG40 skin. And these skins look really good. I don't really like the HBR skin. The HBR skin is pretty basic and there's not like much of animation or like much. The colors are pretty dull also for the HBR, but it might look good in game. I have no idea. Then the HG40 Cyber, the HG40 skin is really good. The HG40 skin is amazing. I was blown away when I saw the HG40 skin. It has such a cool design. It has such different elements to it. It's got a different kind of design, different outline. It's really, really good. The HBR skin, they've done it really well. And then personally, my favorite out of all of these is the carbon cut. Obviously, the locust carbon cut is such an amazing, such a futuristic. It fits the theme really, really well. It has a really good futuristic vibe to it, and it also has a custom scope. So that custom scope is really good looking, guys. It has such a vibe match with the season. It is really, really good. I really like the carbon cut. And also we do have the Cordite Tech Noir, which was leaked a little bit later after all of these, so it is in a different photo. And that also looks pretty good. It looks similar to the AGR Durandal, the Lucky Draw skin, which we got the legendary AGR. It is a really, really good this thing, gun skin. It kind of looks like the P90 from the front because it has that big long, I don't know what it's called, the big long stick. I have no idea. Don't take that out of context, please. Okay, so the Battle Pass will release on 27th of Jan. So today we have gotten the update, just the update, it's just the files. There's no like new, there's no, the modes have not released, the Battle Pass has not released. The Battle Pass will come on 27th Jan. And also there is a new loading screen, so I will put up the loading screen right now. It looks pretty good. It has all the Lucky Draw characters, like not all of them, but has two of the Lucky Draw characters. It, you can see the legendary FR556 on the loading screen actually, and you can also see the new Witch Doctor skin. So that is really, really sick, guys. And now I'm just going to put up the like the entire battle pass, how they show it. So there's obviously the other random stuff which no one cares about, but the skins this season, they are really, really good. The skins are actually top notch. They're probably one of the best battle pass skins I've ever seen. That's why I really like the futuristic theme, because COD can do a really good job with the futuristic theme. And obviously, guys, the SKS will be coming in challenges. It should come around 2 to 3 weeks into the season. 2 weeks probably into the season. It will be with a lucky draw, obviously, and then you will get the lucky draw, and then you'll be able to grind the SKS. And the SKS is a 2-shot. I have done that in a video before, so I'll put the link of the video in the description. SKS should be pretty strong weapon if you're good at aiming. So yeah, so that is all I have for the video, guys. If you've watched till here, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, that's all I have for the video. And if there is any more leaks or any more gun skins which will be coming, I will be sure to make a video on it. And my next video will be on the lucky draw skins which will be coming. The lucky draws are probably one of the best also I have ever seen. So guys, stay tuned for the lucky draws, and I will be posting them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.